Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is the official website, so you can download driver. Then click on the search icon. Then enter the model number H470M space K and then hit enter. Then click on product. Then you can see this is H410MK. And click on product. Select your operating system, so both operating system installations process same, so select any. You can see this video and you install the driver. So first guys, download, after that install. So first guys, download, and after that I show you how to install. Okay, then so first audio driver, you click download. This is download icon, so you can click on this. I will start down, it will start downloading. You can see this start downloading. After that chipset, so one by one you download it. So in the chipset, so lot of driver you can see showing, so you just download this one and this one, just click to download. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. VGA, Intel VGA driver, and just click to download. When you click to start downloading, and when you just click on this icon, this is go through divert on the downloaded folder automatically where it is downloading. Now you so all the completed. After that I show you how to install. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract the all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed. Then this LAN driver. Then LAN driver, open one by one, download and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then okay, and then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then okay. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.